Welcome back to another simple wedding guest Gele tutorial video. The measurement for this style is 60-40. You're going to make 8 to 9 pleats depending on your fabric. Here we are making do with a 3 wear length 75. So we are going to make 8 pleats. Place at the back of your head, bring forward and cross, or place at the back of your client's head, bring forward and cross. Now guys, after we are done crossing, we are going to take a pleat and pin down. If you've been watching my tutorial videos, you're going to know by now what the next step is. You take a pleat and pin to the base. You repeat the same thing on the other flap. Now for the shorter flap, you're going to pin, after taking a pleat and pinning to the base, you're going to move downwards towards the arc of the brow and pin for the second time, because the style we are working with needs that. So when you're done with that, you go over and pin the excess at the back, pin to the base. As you can see, can you see, this is to secure that part, because we are going to make do with that side of the gele later on in the tutorial video. Now we'll go over to the longer flap. Our longer flap is a 3 away, so we are going to fold 1 away. As you can see, if you have a 4 away, you're going to fold it into 2. We are making do with a 2 away at this point because of the style that we are working with. Can you see? When you're done with that, you go ahead and start making pleats. Ensure that it's neat and the same thing and the same space. Also, you pleat until you've exhausted the fabric, then pin. So watch carefully and see what I do.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Can you see what we are doing? We arrange properly. Then put it at the side of the head that we want. You get? Can you see? Now that part that we pinned from the other flap at the back, we are going to bring it and place on top of this one and pin in front. So watch carefully and see how I do it. Can you see? We take that part, place it on top of what we've pleated, then pin. Now you're going to pin 2 times, like 2 different ways. You're going to pin inside first. As you bring it down like this, now you're going to pin inside, then you're going to arrange the fabric properly and pin outside. So watch carefully. Can you see what we are doing? Now when you're pinning outside, you're going to pin as much as you can. Just ensure that the pin doesn't show too much, you get. Now when we are done with that, we are going to take everything to the back so that that part is going to be neat, you get. Somebody is not going to observe that that's how you run the whole process, you get. Now after we are done with that, the stuff that we've pleated, we are going to arrange it to our taste, arrange it the way we want. This pleats that we've done is supposed to go in a circular motion, like half circle, like 45 degrees, you get. So you're going to arrange it properly, let it come out well. That's exactly what I'm doing here, dragging that stuff out so that it's going to be fitted inside and it's going to give us that shape that we are looking for. Now arrange where necessary. When you're done with that, you're going to pin the edge to the base. Just keep watching, guys. Now we are going to pin that arc side to the base, and this other part too that I'm pinning to that part that we place that we use the fabric to place on top. Can you see what I'm doing? You pin to the base on the left hand side, you pin that remaining part of your pleated circle on the other side of the part that you joined and pinned, you get. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Now arrange the pleats properly, let the design come out well, then you pin where necessary. Now we go ahead to the back and cover, but we are not just going to cover it just like that, we are going to cover it with style. So see how I do it. Now after we are done covering the back, we come to the front and do finishing touches on our gele, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos so that others can see and learn. Can you see what we are trying to do? Ensure that the shape of the gele is 100, like is okay, is fine before you leave your client. But if you're testing it out on a mannequin head, you just ensure that everything is okay. Can you see we are done with our gele? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.